you're like me, you've probably spent countless hours sitting in front of your computer, editing video after video. The endless cuts, color adjustments, syncing sound, it never seems to end. But what if I told you there's a way to cut that time in half? Today, I'm going to show you how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we edit videos. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, AI tools can handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, leaving you more time for creativity. And trust me, after using these tools, you won't want to go back. So let's get practical. Here are 3 AI-powered tools that will save you hours on your next project. First up, Adobe Premiere Pro's Auto Reframe. It automatically resizes your video for different formats, whether it's for Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. No more manual cropping, just drag, drop, and done. Next, meet CapCut's Auto Subtitles feature. It not only generates captions instantly, but also adjusts them perfectly. Want to create engaging TikToks or YouTube shorts? CapCut will have you ready in minutes. Finally, Runway ML, a tool that uses AI to remove backgrounds, add visual effects, and color correct, all without a green screen. But let me be real with you. AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it'll miss the mark. Maybe your transitions won't be as smooth, or your cuts will need some manual fine-tuning. So don't rely solely on AI. Think of it as a tool to help you speed things up, but always add your personal touch. Your creativity is still what sets your videos apart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how AI has changed your editing process. See you in the next one.